How to check Google Forms you filled out and submitted. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check all the Google Forms that you've filled out and submitted. So before we begin with that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. So the first step here that you'll need to take is open up your Google Drive. So make sure that you're logged in to the account from which you filled out the form. So that part is important as all, the account that you used while you filled out the form will be the one that your details are stored into. So open up your Drive, go to the search bar, and under search bar, you'll find this type option. Tap on the type drop down. And from here, you can see a lot of different options. Select your forms. And from here, you'll be listed all the forms that you've filled out till now and submitted. And that way you can find and check all the Google Forms you filled out and submitted. And it's that simple, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.